Today we're going to learn how to divide a fraction by a whole number. I ate 1/3 of a pizza, so 2/3 of the pizza remained. Tanner, Ernesto, Clark, and Danny shared the remainder equally. 4 boys shared 2/3 of a pizza equally. What fraction of the pizza did each boy receive? If 4 boys share this pizza equally, how many equal parts do I have to divide the remaining pizza into? Think. If we want 4 boys to share the pizza equally, then the remaining pizza, or 2/3, has to be divided into 4 equal parts. We have 2/3 of a pizza, and it is being divided into 4 parts. One part is now 1/6 of the pizza, so each boy receives 1/6 of the pizza. Let's look at this problem in a different way. We know we had 2/3 of a pizza, so I'm going to illustrate 2/3 on a number line. My number line is divided into 6 and shown in simplest form. This bar shows 2/3 of a whole. We then have to divide this bar into 4 equal parts. Remember, the question was, what fraction of the pizza did each boy receive? So I want to know the fraction for one part of this bar. In the previous example, we showed this by dividing. 2/3 divided by 4. We can see here that dividing by 4 is the same as finding 1/4 of 2/3. Dividing by 4 is the same as multiplying by 1/4. Therefore, 2/3 divided by 4 equals, or is the same as, 1/4 of 2/3. We know that when we are finding a fraction of another fraction, we multiply. So 2/3 divided by 4 equals 1/4 times 2/3. We then cross-cancel and solve. We've just learned how to divide a fraction by a whole number. Let's review. First, we rewrite 2/3 divided by 4 as 2/3 times 1/4. Why do we do this? Because dividing a number by 4 is the same as multiplying it by 1/4. Remember, the fraction bar between a numerator and denominator actually means divided by. In a previous lesson, we learned that the fraction 1/4 is the same as 1 divided by 4, and the fraction bar is one way we can show division. So when dividing a fraction by a whole number, we first rewrite the problem. Then we solve the problem. Take out your math notebook. You're going to take some notes. Title this section of your notes, Dividing a Fraction by a Whole Number. Copy the following problem and the work you see on this video into your notes. You can pause throughout the video as you copy the problem into your notebook. Divide 2/3 by 3. 2/3 divided by 3 equals, or is the same as, 2/3 times what? Think. Dividing 3 is the same as multiplying by 1/3, so we rewrite the problem as 2/3 times 1/3. Now you can solve. Try it for yourself. Did you get 2 nights? That's right. Solve problems 2A through 2D on page 89 of your textbook. Copy the problems in your notebook and show your work.
Created using PowToon. Created using PowToon.